Hello children, today we are going to learn class 4th lesson number 7 plants and living and surviving. In this lesson we will read and learn about different plants according to their habits. Effect of surrounding on the plants of grass families. We can see many types of a plant all around us. You can see many plants are there near to us. Plants grows almost everywhere. Plants grow on land, in water, ocean, bed, in pond, on hilly region and even in a deserts. Plants can grow anywhere, children. Plants grow in those places where the climate suits them. Okay, plants will grow where they will grow, whatever climate should be suits for them. They have to adjust with the surrounding to cope up and survive. They have to adjust with their surrounding to survive. This adjustment made by the plants in a particular surrounding is called as a adaptation. Now adaptation means what? The process of changing to suit different condition. Now they will change to suit different condition. That is known as a adaptation. Let us read about some plants and their habit. Now we have to read about some plants and habit. Terrestrial plant. The plants that grow on land are called as a terrestrial plant. Okay, plants that grow on the land. Almost plants are growing on the land only, children. They are of various types. They are in a different types. Plants on a hill, mountains. Plants on a hill and mountains. Trees that grow in a hilly area are generally tall and straight. Whichever trees are growing in a hilly area, that these trees are generally they are tall and straight. These trees have a needle-like leaves. They will be having like a needle leaves. For example, cedar, pine and fir, etc. These trees are usually flowerless and have cones with seed inside them. Now you can see that these trees are like a tall, yes or no, and they don't will be having flowers. And you can see here their leaves will be needle shape. This is a Christmas tree. Plants that grow in a plain. Now plain surface. A large varieties of plants grow in the plain. Okay, more numbers of plants they will grow in a plain. Trees that grow in a plain may have several branches. A large variety of plants grows in the plain. Trees that grow in a plains may have several branches. They will be whichever plain area they will grow, they will be having many branches. Okay. Most of these trees can survive in very hot climate. They can be survive in very hot climate, but shed most of their leaves in autumn. But they will share their most of the leaves in autumn month. For example, neem, people, gulmohar, shisham and mangoes, etc. Neem trees, mango tree, you know most probably, banyan tree, gulmohar tree. These are types of a tree. All know this all types of a tree. Okay. Plants in a hot and damp place. Damp place means it will be slightly wet it will be. The land will be little bit wet it is. In a hot and damp places such as the coastal areas, tree have more leaves. In these areas, the tree will be having more leaves. These trees do not shed their leaves in a winter. They will not shed their leaves in a winter month. They remain evergreen like the teak and coconut trees. They will be like a evergreen. Some other plants that grows in such places are pepper, rubber, sugarcane, rice and cotton. Now we are going to learn plants in a desert. Desert plants will be in a desert. In a desert area, there is a very little rain. There will be sometimes only there were rain. Hence, only those plants which need very less water can survive here. Now, in desert, there will be you can see means there will be only sand only it will be there, and in that area the water will be not more. Borewell also it will be not there, because there will be sometimes it will get rain. Okay, in that area the plants will be there only cactus and date plant. Date means people will like to eat that. Only those plants which need very less water can survive here. In that area, which plant they require less water to survive, they can stay there. Some variety of the such plants are a cactus, kikar and date plant. Plant growing in a desert have spines instead of leaves. They will be having spines. Now spines means what? One thick pointed object. You can see here one thick pointed object it is. You can see you will touch means it will get hurt for you, and from there blood can come. Spines prevent the loss of water. Photosynthesis in this plant is carried out in the green stem, and it will be having only green stem only. You can see here green stem only it will be there. It will be having. Plants in a swampy area. Now swampy means what? Always it will be wet. Okay, place there soil is very sticky and clayey are called as a swampy or marshy area. Marshy area means what? Near to the pond, near to the lake, the water will be there like a mud will be there, and too much water will be container in that. That is known as a marshy. It become a very difficult for the plants to grow here because air cannot reach their roots. In a muddy areas, what will be happening? In that air cannot reach to their roots. Hence, the plants like mangroves grow here, which have a breathing roots that grow out of the soil and water to breathe. Now you can see there here the roots will come out of the ground, means the roots will come upside. Okay, the roots will come upside. Because in a muddy area what will be happening, marshy area what will be happening, there roots will come up and they will absorb the water and air to breathe. Okay, for breathing the air will be not reaching inside. That's why what will be happening in mangroves tree, the roots will come out of the ground. I hope you understood this lesson. Now today's homework is you have to read page number 58 and 59.